Okay, good afternoon, first of all.
Yes, very good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm pretty well, and how about you?
Yeah, I'm also. I'm really amazing.
And
Yeah,
I want to say sorry, first of all. At 1 p.m., I couldn't join. So, and now I also got late.
yeah, it's okay. I can understand. So situation is becoming a very unpredictable in the human's life. So how can we give the certain time? Right.
Yes.
Okay. So we are meeting first time.
Yes, we
May
are
I know
meeting.
about,
Sorry.
yeah. May I know about you, ma'am?
Yes. Okay. As you know, my name is Nishi Saini. I belong to UP, but now I'm in Faridabad. And if I telling about my qualifications, so I have completed MA and also B.Ed by professional. I am a teacher, but this time I am not working anywhere. I am looking a job. And if I talk about my hobbies, so this time I have only one hobby, like uh, I want to be brush up these skills. So that's why I'm learning this skill. I'm learning this language only.
Okay, that's very nice, ma'am. I'm going to tell you about myself. So I belong to Bihar state. I'm also a primary teacher nowadays. And as well as I'm learning I'm giving the my experience to all of the beginner students so they can learn this language by me. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to talk with the new people, learning new things, and visiting some kinds of places. Yeah, so that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So I want to ask one thing. Are you government employee?
No, because in this time, ma'am, it is very quite difficult to having job in government field. So still, I am just attending as a teacher in a private schools. Okay.
Okay. So it's a convent school and yeah, any type of school like normal Hindi medium school.
No, no, no. Private school.
Okay.
Private. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
English medium schools you can consider because I was thinking early time like I should be indulge myself in this field, so I would get some kinds of experience related of this matter. And after having the experience, I will be trying to do some kinds of things related of this matter. So I will get the post, and I will have already so much confidence, experience, so that will be much easier to managing and maintaining my well. Yeah, so that's why.
That's nice idea. So after means schooling, I think you are also a tutor. Are you tutor?
Not now time. No, no, I'm not a tutor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you didn't tell me that what is your qualification?
Okay, of course. I have completed my Bachelor of Science, you can say, from the math subject. Yeah.
Math subject.
Yeah.
Okay.
BSc.
Means BSc you have completed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
mhm. Basically, ma'am, I just want to maintain my consistency because I belong to Bihar state. So it is very difficult to having similar persons to you around them. That's why I got the idea to involving myself in this field and connecting with the new peoples every day. This platform is really well for me. That's why. Yeah.
so what is your channel name?
Chandan Lahiri.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So how many videos do you make in one day?
Only one video you can consider.
Okay, okay, okay.
You can
And
consider.
okay.
Mhm.
So would you tell me what is your strategy for learning this language and are you following till now?
Yeah, my tragedy only for listening some kinds of a speaking,
Okay.
uh, and as well as I'm following TED Talks, Juice Talk you can consider, okay,
Yeah.
because there I think many of the achiever came here, came there and sharing their life struggles, stories, okay. So that's why I love to listening the struggles of life, and as well as I'm observing the way of talking of all of them, how they are creating the sentence, and as well as I'm maintaining conversations with the new people. So this is my strategy to indulge myself and maintaining the balance of these skills.
Okay. So which type of challenges did you face in for this language?
Yeah, you can consider. I faced only the challenge of less environment because if you are having the environment, so it would be much easier, right? So I was having so much difficult because I was not getting the appropriate environment. Okay, and as well as any persons with whom I can practice this is a language. So many people are managing through their native language, so they no one has had a requirement of learning this language, and I was only there who got some kinds of obsessiveness internally to learning this language in certain moment. So these kinds of challenge I got in the previous times, but I just developed my own idea on my own strategy to learn this language and kept going on this process for long by me. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So means what is your plan? Means what is your future plan? That do you want to become only teacher, and do you want to do in your life something? It is different. It is the part time of job that you are a now PRT teacher. So what is your strategy? That
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. I just want to become a teacher because, as I know, if you are going to be a teacher in your life, so you will have different kinds of opportunity. Like you will be learning whole life, many lessons. You will be learn the peoples. You will be learn their behaviors, their custom, rituals, as well as all time to time. You will be meeting with the new persons every time due to having the admission of their kids. Many kinds of reasons behind it. So that's why I just want to be a teacher. Okay. And this is a respectable job according to me. No
yes,
matter what background they belong, they must respect you. They will
yes,
call you because we got a tag of name, sir. And that is a very reputed tag according to me, which I will never get in any post. Even I'm working under the government, I will always called as a servant, right? But I'm working as a teacher, so all the people will call me as a sir. That is a very precious to me. This kinds of tag, right?
yes. It is the difference between other job. Like you are, means people are people are earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh. So they are giving the respect for this post. But if we are a teacher, so like they are respecting and they are giving the respect to this post. Means this position will like a teacher means doesn't matter the person who is a reputed person and he get a means like and any teacher or any parents and also student whenever they meet in between on the road and anywhere we meet from them, so they always greet us that hello ma'am, hello sir. So
Yeah,
this time you feel so much proud that
yeah,
what did you earn, like uh, like in teaching field there is no so much salary according to another background. But if we talk about that greetings, like also praising that fame, so you can get from this post.
yeah. And no matter what kinds of city do you want to go, everywhere you will be get the equal respect from all of them, right? No matter how better salary are you earning in the month, because your salary will never define your ability, right? Your tag will define your respect around the people. Your tag will let the good appearance of yours around the people. So yeah,
Yes,
and I think in this time, if you are educated, so there are many sources of available for having money. Depends on you how you earn, right? Every people are earning money day to day life, 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, unlimited. But it doesn't matter. Like they are having respect. They are earning the respect from someone, right? You are earning well amount of money into your life, but no one knows you. No one will say you as a. They will say you the good word for you, right? So that is very precious to me. Like I'm having respect. I'm earning respect as well as money, and whatever amount of money I'm earning in the month, that would be efficient to maintaining my life as well as I want, right? Okay, ma'am. So I have a question for you. Nowadays, how are you improving your communication skills? How are you working?
This time I'm not doing anything, and last I think I didn't practice last 10 days, but yesterday I made one video. So sometime whenever I get time, so I read book, and also I watch some videos, and listening videos, and also watching videos, and some another kind of type of any reading topic like I am the part of many groups. So those who are the teacher, so they, they mention some related to topic, so it is the part of learning that it is the part of syllabus. It's okay. So it is the part of syllabus, but we are learning anything. I am reading vocabs and enhancing knowledge, and also enhancing the topic that whatever they wrote in the group. And so they jot down from there. Okay, so I'm reading, so these type of learning I'm following arts. And then
Okay.
now earlier I was the part of one another group, like I was taking the class, and I was the part of uh, this group. So means like a student, but this time I was not practicing. Yeah, very soon we will also do practice.
Yeah,
So
ma'am. Practice makes us perfect, right?
yeah. And
Yeah, ma'am.
I want to say one thing, and also I also said in my previous video, we always follow another rules, like that person who is emphasizing us, you should start reading, reading, listening, and also mirror practice. So these are the things, if you are able to understand, if you are enjoying these activities, so you should go with these things. If you are not feeling good, so no, listen to your inner feelings. And why
Yeah,
do you want to learn this language?
yeah,
Do
you have that.
yes. But one thing I will say, and suggest to everyone, and it is also depends on also me, that consistency. If we want to learn, so we will have to follow the path, and we will have to make consistency. Don't need to like video call, and whenever we are having a time, and we can connect to person like audio call, video call, it depends on us. But we will have to we will have to make consistency.
Yeah, you're right. Because consistency will define your achievement. What kinds of achievements are you going to achieve at the future, right? So, like everyone can be dream out, right? So many dreams, so many people are dreaming day by day. Like I will do, I will see, I will like that, but they are not working towards it. That is the big mistake of all of them. That's why they couldn't get any kinds of achievement in life, and they will have a different kinds of oxygen to giving to other people. So like I was doing, but I was unable to having achievement because I did that. I did not have the time. So many excuses are there. So we do not want to be just like that. We have to just keep working towards that kinds of goals. So unless we get succeed, right?
Yeah, you told that like we don't have time. These are the things. It's excuses. We always make we always
Yeah,
make excuses and give excuses that, oh, sorry, yaar, I don't have time and I did get time, so that's why I didn't make practice. So it's a type of means, we are making procrastinate. We means we do not want to make consistency, like, how can we not give the time, for learning anything, not only this language, for yoga, for anything. Like, if we are serious, so definitely we will give the time. If we are not taking seriously and we are not spending the time, so how can we learn anything? We will never learn anything. I will also, it depends on also me, that I already shared one thing that I did practice last 10 days, because of the my procrastination nature. So that's why I couldn't practice. So, like, if we want to be become fluent, so we will have to make consistency. And it's okay, means ups and downs comes in our life, and it is the part of our life. But we should never forget what is the aim of our life.
of course. And whatever ups and downs comes out in the human's life, they taught us many kinds of lessons, which is we are unaware, right? Which is this is also important to us by knowing, awareing, because these are always comes out into teach us some kinds of things, right?
Yeah.
All the things are very requirement.
Yeah. And means any type of conflicts we always fight from in our part. So I think we should fight from these things and we should come out from these things. No, no, no. First of all, what is our achievement and what is the aim of our life? So if it is we will have to visit for getting this achievement. So then we will follow the path, and we should forget everything. Let it be. What will, I mean, we will see in the last. Firstly, we will have to command on our achievement. So then we will get achievement. That.
Yeah, yeah, you are right, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Like being a teacher, I didn't ask you in which field do you teach, in government or private school?
Private school this time. Would you
It,
make the sense? Sorry.
yeah, yeah. My idea, it should be hidden inside of my mind.
Yeah, my idea, it should be hidden inside. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it doesn't matter. If you think you can emerge internally of these kinds of thoughts, it should be enough to becoming the reality by you for the students. And really,
Yeah.
those kinds of students will be very lucky for having you as a teacher and learning very experience, I think, good experience from you, really. Okay, ma'am. So I don't have any questions for asking you. Would you like
Uh,
to ask? And you can.
no, no, I don't have any question. So, whenever we will get time next time, okay. So we will discuss on any topic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Of course. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, yeah. Nice talking to you, ma'am.